In this video we're going to look at how you can copy the data from your backtester into an Excel spreadsheet so that you can save it for later, and also it means that you can do other analysis on it if you want to. The first thing to look at is the closed positions list, and we just want to move and copy all of this into a spreadsheet. So I'll click on the actual data, then I'll click and I'll drag, and I'll move that into Excel and let go, and that copies all of that information in for me. I'm just going to click on the top left here between the A and the 1, double click on the line between the A and the B, and that expands each column out to the width that it needs to be to display all the data. I'm now just going to zoom in so we can see this a little bit more. This next bit is something that you only need to do on a Mac and you don't need to do on a PC. As you can see here in my abs perf column, I've got some funny characters as well as the pound signs, and I need to get rid of those throughout everything. It would be a pain to go through and do that one by one, so we're going to use the find and replace facility within Excel to do that. So I've clicked on the first one there. I'm now going to very carefully just highlight that funny A, do a Command C to copy, press Escape on the keyboard because I don't want to do any editing within that cell, and then click on the entry date just to make sure I'm at the start before any of the actual characters appear. I'm then going to edit on the Excel menu. I'll go to Find and I'll go to Replace. I'll do Command V to paste in that funny little symbol, and we're going to leave Replace with blank because we just want to take it out. We don't want to put anything in its place. And I'm going to click on Replace All, and it said it made 21 replacements. I'll click on OK. I'll click on Close, and you can see here now that it's taken that funny symbol out and it's recognizing this as currency. So it's put in brackets in red if it's negative, and black without brackets if it's positive. I'm now going to go to a second sheet, because in addition to copying all of this information across, you can copy across all of the statistics of your closed trades. So again, you just click anywhere there and drag it across, and you've got all of your closed trade information. So again, I'll click on the top left, double click here, and now I'm going to go through and do the same find and replace to get rid of all these funny symbols. So I'll go to Edit, Find, Replace, and you notice it's left that little funny A in there from last time, so I've not had to copy and paste that back in. So I'll do a Replace All. It's found 34, so I'll do OK and Close. So now we have all of the amounts actually formatted correctly as currency. As I say, you won't need to do that stage on a PC. That's purely a peculiarity with Macs. Hopefully you found this useful.